Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving daily signals. You can go there and see people today. All of them, they are happy and make very nice profit today. Even you can join us there. And by the way, I tell it in yesterday's video and I will say it even today. It's only for a certain number. Also, we will not give free signals to 10k or 20k. So only for a certain number. Then anyone who want to join us in the future, he need to be paid member. So be quicker and join us there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today we got a very nice move here for the Bitcoin based on that BlackRock and that Chrysler or whatever the name of them. They took that ACC or Gary Gensler to the court because he refused to accept and for them that Bitcoin ETF. That way you see the Bitcoin is going up like that. But us, we don't care about nothing. Us, we enter just based on our technical analysis, pure technical analysis. Here in the daily, when we used to be here down, us we enter. People they been with us from that day here, the day of the collapse of FTX. Us we enter from 15k till up here. Then it happened when we are up here in that level. I told you guys it's going to come a correction to the Bitcoin because that historical, it always happened the last dump before the last pump, and that was happened exactly. You can even go back and watching that 2-3 months ago. We've been here, we've been telling you guys it's going to come that falling down here. Yes or no? And why also we said that here at that level here? First thing, we used to have here that very clear Wyckoff pattern here. That one here, if you remember it, people they've been with us, they remember it. I told them that I fake out that a very well known pattern in the Wyckoff. Here, it's breaking here. We said it need to come back to touch here. Then from here, it need to go back to break the last high, which is here. That's very clear. It's going to break it today or tomorrow or next week, or we don't know exactly because that thing is taking some time. But you, if you are for long-term investment, you need to invest slowly by slowly. And I told you something else here. I told you here, look at the market, what he trying to give you here. I told you the market, he tried to give us here a cup and handle here. I told you even that one. Like that, we're making the measurement of it and we said it's going to go to 41k without any doubt. Now, shall you inch along? Not yet. We haven't broken that last high, which is here. That for some people. And also we say something else here in the daily. By the way, all those things also we've been here in that channel for some time now. You can go back and watch all the videos if you just came now, and go back and watch everything here in the daily. What else we said here in the last video, yesterday video, what else we said? We said here we got a very clear wage like that. Yes or no? That wage we said here, look at it here. What it telling you today? It telling you that wage is getting broke, guys. Yes or no? So for technical analysis, you need to enter along here, take profit for that one. It needs to be here at 31k. And what me I told you else here? Let me show you. I told you our indicator it touch here the oversold area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. That 25k is a very stronger level. Third thing and the most important thing also we used to waiting for. What is it? Is the price action. What is the price action? Is that trend line here. That trend line here, what happened to it today? It's getting broke by power. So what that meant? You need to enter long. If you use a leverage and margin, you enter long from now here and you put stop loss down here. Remember that. That for the people they using leverage and using margin. For people they just using spot, buy here at that level here a certain amount from your capital, let's say 30%, because people they been with us. You remember us where we buying 20% from our capital. Where exactly? We buy it here. When we touch the 50 moving average, we buy 20% from our capital. Us we been waiting here to touch the 200 moving average for us to buy 50% from our capital. Yes or no, guys? Now us here at that level here where we break today, because look at it. If you came here and you're doing a line like that, it's the same level where you buy 20%. So for the people they been with us for some time, they buy from here 20%. They don't need to buy nothing here from that level. For people they haven't buy nothing yet, those ones they need to buy from here 20% from the capital of them. 20%, no matter how much capital you got, just go to Google and type. Let's say you got $1,000, write 20% of 1,000. Google is going to give you the right number. Then you enter it from here. You buy it from there. Where we're going to buy the next 50% to 30% when we break in that last high, which is here, guys. That's why I told you it's not yet. Another thing very important here. Let me show it to you here in the daily. Because those things I'm talking about, you need to be focused with me here what I'm talking about. Look with me here. If you're being focused here, we got here a cup and handle here. See it or no? The neckline of that one, where it is, where we are now. If tomorrow candle it's breaking here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. It's going to break for us that last high, which is here. It's going to go till here, till 33k, and it's going to go till 41k. Everything is too clear, guys? So now what that indicating? It's indicating the Bitcoin is in very, very, very bullish. If you buy with us from here 20% from your capital, fair enough. If you don't buy yet, people they haven't buy from here 20%. They can buy here 20%, and we're waiting. If we're breaking that last high here, we're going to buy more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. The coming news for today, as you see it, what we got today. We got very important news, guys. You need to remember that. You remember last month when UK CPI came, or inflation data of UK came, we see a dump in Bitcoin. Even today, it's coming. UK CPI. The forecast here is going to come 8.5. Let's see if it's going to come 8.5 or it's going to come lower than that. If it came lower than that, that's very good. But if it came above than 8.5, that's very bad to the market. Plus, we got very, very, very important news today. What is it? Is that one. The Fed Chair Powell testified that when they are going to ask him questions in the Congress, and that person, remember that person, when he came and he opened his mouth, he doesn't want to close it. He always yappy, and that yappy of him, it always affect a lot the market, guys. So tomorrow maybe we're going to see a major moves in the market. So be careful, guys. All of us now, we are protected. Try to protect as much as you can, because that person, you can't trust in him. Everything is too clear, guys. And here is our friend, the table of us, as you see it every time as we're looking at it. What it's telling us today, all US market today is red based on the energy and the gas and those things of them. And me, I'm still waiting a correction to happen. Then I'm going to buy. I'm talking here about this P500. I'm going to tell it to you in my Telegram and my Discord. That way, I told you every time join us there. Now everything is still looking great. And here, look at our friend the VIX. Today it's break below in that 14 where we used to be yesterday. But me, when we used to be above 20, I used to tell it to you guys, when it's going to break below 20, started buying. And that's what you're seeing. Me, I don't want to show you my stock account, but I am more than 20% till now, guys. That's what me I'm teaching you guys. And here the US dollar today is going up. You remember Monday candle what was we talking about? So till now everything still looking good. US market is falling, Bitcoin is going up. That's very good news. That when the Bitcoin it finished that correlation to US market, that's very good. And that's what us Bitcoin investors we want. And you remember what me I told you about that ETFs, that Bitcoin ETF them they want. That is not a solution. Bitcoin it came against the capitalism regime, and also we don't want control from JP Morgan or BlackRock, because BlackRock, as majority of you know, BlackRock is them. They push the Bitcoin, that dump what happening to Terra Luna and that Dogecoin and that madness what happening. One of them is BlackRock. So remember those things, guys. Those people, they are very, very, very bad people. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. You remember what else we said here in the 4 hours, guys? Here exactly like that. We do it like that. We said we got here a wage like that, and we said we got down here a divergence. If you remember from here and here in our indicator, we're going to come to it. It's breaking here. In yesterday video, I told you we got here a pivot here in that level here. Exactly here, I told you we got here a pivot. It happened today, we break it with major power here, and that will bring exactly the take profit of it, which is here, as you see it. Now at that level here where we are, should we enter short? Because now all our indicators, they are at the overbought area. And I told you something else in yesterday video. You can find it even in the thumbnail of the video like that. Came here and doing here a head and shoulder. And by the way, one, he got a big channel. Tested it, but it's okay. It's breaking here and is it here. So those people, they enter based on that signal here. That one here, that head and shoulder here. Those ones, they need to protect themselves here. Now they need to protect themselves. Because you don't know what's going to happen here. Because look at it. You are in a very, very, very stronger level. Last time from here we fell down. And now you are in it here. So protect yourself. Protect yourself. I don't tell you to close everything. You can move stop loss to here or down here. Depending on you and your money management and how much capital you're risking. Then, now here, did we got any price action, guys? For us to enter short? No. There is nothing. What me have been teaching you guys from the start of that channel. I told you when there is a rocket going up like that or a knife falling down like that, you can catch it. It's impossible to catch in a falling knife or a rocket. What you need? You need the rocket to go up, to lower the speed of it, to bounce here. That's meant to touch the floor like that and to give you here a price action indicating the market is gone to reverse or to continue it upward. Did you got any price action here at this time? No. You can even make like that a trend line, but that trend line is going to be very, very, very sharp and you can't base an entry to enter short based on that trend line because the market is still very going up very high. Look at it. If you came here and you do it like that, high, resting, now another high. Just need to give you another resting here for you to make decision based on that resting, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, you remember here, we used to have here a divergence here like that. Very clear divergence from that one and that one here. That's why also we enter long based on that wage we used to have. Now where we are. And you remember what I told you? I told you from here is going to go up to overbought area. Where we are now? We are here at the overbought area, guys. Like last time here. You remember it here. Last time when you used to be here at the overbought area, what happened? It fell down to the oversold area. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend. We need a price action. Last time when we enter from here, the market gave us there a double top. Now here there is no price action. We don't need to enter short. We need to wait in the market to give us a price action. Price action is the key of success. Those ones just oscillators, and I've been telling you that thousands of times because I saw many big channels. They basing the trade of them based on indicators. There is no indicator, guys, working in this planet of trading. There is no indicator. Believe me when I tell you that. I am not someone who just born yesterday. Me, all my life I spent it trading. I know what is it trading. I know it from the bottom of my heart. There is no indicator in this world is working. All the indicators, just use them as filter. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So technically us, we need to looking for short. Yes or no? People they be with us when we used to be down here. That's what us we used to say. We need to looking for short. So we enter short from that level here. Level us, we are in a very stronger level. Look at it. Just from here. Us, we are not going to go back to the past. Just from here. Level us, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter? No, my friend. It's need price action to tell you that. If there is no price action, there is no entry short. You need to wait in. Maybe it's going to continue more upward now. And those people, they enter from here. They need to stay with it. Tell the market, tell you need to go out. That's the time we need to go out. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes. Today also we killing it, guys. Today we kill it. Here in 30 minutes. Also we making an error today here. I want to tell you why also we enter short here. Used to have here like a small wage like that. Like that you can find it even in the picture of here in the YouTube community tab. It's breaking down here. We enter short. It fall down till here. Also used to be got here down here. Take profit here in that level. Then the market it reverse on us. Then me, I do like that. Look with me here what I'm going to do. I do like that. And down here, those ones, I came connecting them with that one here. It gives me here a symmetric triangle, very clear symmetric triangle here. You see it or no? Then that break will happen here. It was near to hit the stop loss. Then me I tell people they follow me to close that short. We close it manually. Then we enter long from here, from that level here, and we put stop loss down here in that level. Then we put in the first target here, second target, and the third target was here exactly. We back all that losses we lost here till extra profit today. Should we enter short at that level here? Because all our indicators, they are at the overbought area. Should we enter short here? No, my friend, there is no entry short. You need to wait in more, guys. You need to wait in the price action to tell you to enter short or to enter long. Till now, we don't got any price action to enter long, and we don't got any price action to enter short. So we need to wait in more, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, we are here, the overbought area. Should we enter short? No, my friend. Another thing, I'm going to show it to you. Let me show it to you. Look with me here, what you got. You got down here a divergence, guys. Very clear divergence here. Should we enter short? No, my friend. And that's the triangle me being talking about. It's getting broke here, we enter long. Should we enter short now? No, we need a price action. And the price action is going to be completed tomorrow. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You've done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.